we're excited to present our next-gen quoting experience. In this video, I'll give you a quick tour of all the amazing new features you can try out today to improve your workflow. With next-gen quotes, you can create and manage multiple quotes at once and check out whenever you're ready. In your quotes dashboard, you can compare multiple quotes across different materials, quantities, and prices to find the configuration that best meets your project needs. Also new is the ability to share quotes with your team for streamlined collaboration and purchasing. Just click Share from the quote detail page or from your quotes dashboard, and you'll be able to copy the direct link for easy guest access or send out email invites to your team. Once a collaborator joins the quote, they'll be free to view, edit, or check out. Once the quote is purchased, all of the collaborators will be able to view and manage the order from their orders page. Finally, it's easier than ever to manage large bills of material for bridge production runs with next-gen quotes. The new interface allows you to group and bulk configure large file quantities within an individual quote. To start using next-gen quotes, log into your Fictiv account and click the top banner to try out the new experience.